Hey guys, want to turn your photo into a creative dripping style look? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make any outfit look like it's melting in style. So let's dive into the video. Step 1. Open your main image, go to File, Open and select your photo. Step 2. Double-click on the background layer to unlock it and set it as Layer 0. Step 3. Go to the Object Selection tool, select your subject, and click on Layer Mask to remove background. Step 4. Now press Ctrl+T to transform, then resize and place your subject in the center of the canvas. Step 5. Go to File, Place Embedded, and bring in your dripping effect PNG. Hold Shift while resizing to adjust it perfectly with your subject's lower part, like the jacket or outfit area. Reduce the opacity slightly to align it accurately. Step 6. Right-click on the dripping layer and select Create Clipping Mask so it blends with the main image. Step 7. Now choose Rasterize Layer. This makes the layer editable. Step 8. Use the Magic Wand tool, select the white area, and press Delete to clean it up. Step 9. Right-click on the dripping image layer, select Pixels, then go to Select Inverse. Hide the dripping image layer by clicking the eye icon and select the layer mask of the main image. Step 10. Pick the brush tool. Set hardness to 100%, adjust the brush size. And carefully erase any unwanted parts around the drip edges. Now press Ctrl+D to deselect. Step 11. Create a new layer. Then go to Layer Style and click on Gradient. Then preset Gradient as Basics. Now choose Color. Pick color like pink and purple for a vibrant effect. Next, let's move to gradient fill. Choose radial style, click reverse and adjust the scale for a soft background glow. After completing all the gradient settings, you can change the colors if you want to. Step 11. Create another new layer, choose a soft brush, hardness 0%, and set a darker color. Lightly brush below the image to add natural shadows. Press Ctrl+T, and by holding Shift, adjust size of shadow. Next, adjust opacity for realism. Step 12. Clean up any extra edges using a soft brush. And that's it. Finally, you can see the beautiful outcome of dripping fashion effect in Photoshop. Now go to File, Export, Export As and save your final creative dripping dress artwork. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite edit style below.